Fidel Valdez Ramos. March 18, 1928. July 31, 2022, popularly known as FVR and Eddie Ramos, was a Filipino general and politician who served as the 12th president of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998. He was the only career military officer to reach the rank of 5-star general. Rising from second lieutenant to commander-in-chief of the armed forces, Ramos is credited for revitalizing and renewing international confidence in the Philippine economy during his 6 years in office. Ramos rose through the ranks in the Philippine military early in his career and became Chief of the Philippine Constabulary and Vice Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines during the term of President Ferdinand Marcos. During the 1986 EDSA People Power Revolution, Ramos was hailed as a hero by many Filipinos for his decision to break away from the administration of Marcos and pledge allegiance and loyalty to the newly established government of President Corazon C. Aquino. Prior to his election as president, Ramos served in the cabinet of President Aquino, first as Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines AFP, and later as Secretary of National Defense from 1986 to 1991. He was credited with the creation of the Philippine Army's Special Forces and the Philippine National Police Special Action Force. After his retirement, he remained active in politics, serving as advisor to his successors. Ramos died of COVID-19 Omicron variant at the Makati Medical Center in Makati on July 31, 2022, at the age of 94. Fidel Valdez Ramos was born on March 18, 1928, in Lingayen, Pangasinan, and grew up in Asingan during his childhood. His father, Narciso, was a lawyer, journalist, and 5-term legislator of the House of Representatives, who eventually rose to the position of Secretary of Foreign Affairs. As such, Narciso was the Philippine signatory to the ASEAN Declaration forged in Bangkok in 1967, and was a founding member of the Liberal Party, according to Ramos's biography for his presidential inauguration in 1992. Narciso served as one of the leaders of the anti-Japanese guerrilla group Maharlika, which was founded by Ferdinand Marcos. His mother, Angela Valdez, was an educator, woman suffragette, and member of the Valdez clan of Batac, Ilocos Norte, making him a second-degree cousin of former President Ferdinand Marcos. He received elementary education in a Lingayen public school. Ramos began secondary education at the University of the Philippines Up High School in Manila and continued in the high school department of Mapua Institute of Technology. He graduated high school from Centro Escolar University Integrated School in 1945. Afterwards, he went to the United States as he received an appointment to the United States Military Academy, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Military Engineering degree. He also earned his master's degree in civil engineering at the University of Illinois and later took civil engineering board exam in 1953, where he placed 8th overall. He also held a master's degree in national security administration from the National Defense College of the Philippines and a master's degree in business administration from Ateneo de Manila University. In addition, he received a total of 29 honorary doctorate degrees. Ramos married Amelita Martinez on October 21, 1954, at the Central Church in Ermita, Manila. They started as friends while they were classmates at the UP High School and neighbors at Padre Fora Street in Manila. Together, they had 5 daughters: Angelita Ramos Jones, Josephine Ramos Sammartino, Carolina Ramos Zambrano, Cristina Ramos Velasco, and Gloria Ramos. They also have 5 grandsons and 3 granddaughters. Death and funeral. On July 31, 2022, Ramos died from the complications of the COVID-19 Omicron variant at the Makati Medical Center in Makati. At the age of 94, according to the family statement, he has been fully or triple vaccinated, but he compromised his immune system. He also had suffered from a heart condition. At the time of his death, he was the second longest living president in Philippine history, only behind Emilio Aguinaldo by 186 days. He was previously the oldest living president, a distinction he held from Diosdado Macapagal's death in 1997. President Bongbong Marcos declared a 9-day period of National Mourning Day from July 31st to August 9th, 2022, where all national flags were flown at half-mast from sunrise to sunset as a sign of mourning. Due to prevailing policies about COVID-19 Omicron-related deaths in the country, Ramos' remains were cremated, which made him the second Philippine president to have been cremated before an initial burial after former President Benigno Aquino III in June 2021. His wake was held from August 4th to 8th at the chapels at Heritage Park in Taguig. On August 9th, he was accorded a state funeral, which was the first for a former Philippine president since Diosdado Macapagal. His remains were inurned at the Libingan NGMga Bayani between former presidents Elpidio Quirino and Ferdinand Marcos Sr. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.